Hey, what's going on, everybody? It is Sully, and while I have been busy on the road with Confident Helm training, the crew has been hard at work getting installs done. So this is a brand new Sabre. As you can see here, we're getting everything ready to go. This thing's ready for shipping. You see, everything here is nicely labeled. Our GXM54 controller right there, all our wiring ready to receive right here, our NMEA connections, our mast camera connections. We've got everything ready to go in the overhead, so when the boat arrives at its final destination, it's ready to go. We can plug everything all in and keep it very simple. Speaking of arriving at its final destination, we leave those overhead panels off. As you can see, we store those right here in the mid-cabin area. Keep them safe for transport. And we go up to this forward cabin here, and you see we got a whole bunch of stuff all up in here. We've got our radar mast, we've got our radar, our KVH Dome right there. So a lot of stuff. This boat is going to be hitting the road soon, and the yard down on Cape will be giving it a make ready, and it will be hitting the water. Our team will get back, hook everything all up. We'll give a Confident Helm training session on it, and they will be ready to go for the rest of the boating season. What can we do for you? Leave it below in the comments. Let us know. We'd love to work with you.